So now let's see how we can work around with business hours block inside of wordpress.com. So to go ahead and add in a business hours block, I'm going to go to the block section and click on the plus button right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I can go ahead and type in business, and you can see that business hour block is an option. So here you can see that you can go ahead and choose a timetable for your business. Let's say, for example, let's say your business opens on Sunday and closes on Tuesday. Let's say, for example, right here. You can also go ahead and choose the timing right here for each of the days as well. And then similarly, you can see that this is the business hours block that you have right here. So you can also go ahead and click right here and let's say, for example, change around the line height, the padding right here, change this around into small or large as you want, as you can see right here. You can also change around the padding right here just like this, and change around the margin, change around the text color and so forth as well, and change around the background for this as well to get the look that you want. And that is how you can work around with the business hours block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.